I don't know what that was, but hello and welcome back. We have today something special. We are working on the budget drift car again, as you can see. What we are doing today is something fun. We are gonna make the cheap drift car look good, and this is how you can do it as well on yourself. You know, the whole series is about that, so this is as well. What we are gonna do today is put a drift livery on this car, and we are today at Ramtingt.nl. One of my friends is he has started his own company, Mr. Sticker, and he has a crazy like a printer, and he can print full color stuff, so you can make crazy designs and stuff like that. And I had a design on game CarX, and I sent it to him, and he was like, yeah, no problem, I got you. So he drew that, and now we are here today. Me and Crystal are claying the car so that it's smooth when applying the sticker, and he's right now printing the stickers. We finished it, like the design and stuff like that, the colors, and he's busy printing, and we are busy preparing the car. Here is the design which I made. I spent some time on this, but yeah, this is like the livery. I sent some photos of this to David. He's standing right there. He's working right now. I sent this to him, and he drew it, like I said. I'm gonna show you on his computer what he drew, and then we just measured like the size of the car, because these measurements of a game is definitely not right, you know, it's just something. But yeah, we measured it, and we put it on his computer, and we made it like the outlines and stuff like that, what we wanted. And now he printed the hood, this one. Now we are gonna apply it. As you can see, the first step is done. The hood is wrapped or stickered, how you want to call it. Yeah, looks good. What are you doing, David?
Editing the last bits of the side portion of the sticker. 4 meters wide almost. And just checking the sizes, if everything is correct.
Yeah.
Then if everything is good, we're gonna start the sticker.
Then print it.
We're gonna print it, cut it.
Show the drift banana text on top. The device can print this in full color, so you don't need to do it in 3 layers or something.
It prints it all at once.
Yeah, it's just one layer and you are done. Yeah, the koi fish as well. Hello. Can you see the printing device?
The printer.
Can you see the printer? It's printing. Here's the program. That's the things that we are printing.
Both sides, a couple of slab stickers.
Yeah. We designed some slab stickers, and we designed a sticker for him as well, because he is our new company, Mr. Sticker, and we are now printing. Are you excited?
Yes.
I'm excited as well. We are gonna see how it's gonna look. Bye. first side is done. We have the other side left, and we need to add the text as well. Drift banana or something. I'm not 100% sure yet, but I think it's gonna be drift banana on the side. But that is gonna make the car more drift livery-ish. This could be more than just a drift livery. But the sticker, the text is gonna finish it. But it looks really good. Really good. Right, as always, this is the next day. The livery is done. He has worked really hard. He has not.
Thank you, brother.
I'm kidding. He has. Yeah, both have worked really hard. But last time that you guys saw, we didn't have the text on it, and I was not sure what to do with it. But right now I thought we can do something like a theme, because there is multiple people of my friends that drives in my cars as well, you know, in this. So instead of a drift banana, we made the drift banana theme, because this is one of the cars of the theme. And I love how it came out. It looks really good. And one funny thing that we did, like when you are doing Jap style drift livery, when you have a text or any other things, then you mirror it on the other side. I think in Japan it's on the right side. They do it like straight, and the left side is the mirror image. But we did this side, the regular side, and the other side we have the mirror. Come. So now we have a fake Japanese drift car. It is full German, but it's alright. Are you happy with your work?
I'm happy. I'm not familiar with mirroring. I'm not familiar with drifting entirely, but
It's alright.
it does seem weird, but it does suit the car. So.
Yeah. It's a drift car, drift missile. We made a sticker for him as well, to put it on the car. And everything that we did is done by like Ramtint.nl in Alsmeer in the Netherlands. So if you need something, hit them up. They do all kind of shit. Look at behind you. He's wrapping freaking Opel Astra because he's crazy.
€500 car.
He's wrapping, setting on matte blue a fucking freaking Astra that leaks oil. It's not good. Yeah, looks good. I'm really happy. Look what we did. Did we show this already? But we were testing David's computer, the printing device, the printer, to see what it can do like in crazy details. But this is printed by his printer. So if you want to do like delivery like this, in these colors, or I don't know, something dumb, crazy, then you could. We didn't want that because we want it simple. But if you want crazy, you can do crazy. Looks good. I'm happy. Here's some crazy raw shots, B shots. Go.